to my channel. So today I am finally doing a what I eat in a day video. This is probably my most requested video. There's a couple of reasons why I was kind of hesitant to do this video. First of all, I don't think what someone eats in a day or what I eat in a day paints a good picture. Some days I'll eat super healthy. Sometimes I'll have like super healthy breakfast and not so healthy dinner. Other days I'll just be eating kind of like whatever, you know, and I think it's more important to look at what someone eats over the course of a week. So I tried filming a what I eat in a week video, but honestly filming for a whole week was really hard. So I'm doing a what I eat in a day, but this is like what I eat in a day part one day of eating. I want to do multiple ones of these so you guys can see like how different every day can be, at least for me. And I would like to make a little disclaimer. I kind of said this in the grocery store haul, but I'm not vegan, I'm not vegetarian. I eat pretty much anything, no allergies, no intolerances. So it's really just like a full-on whatever I want diet. Also, I don't really count my calories like, oh, I'm getting this many calories in this meal, but I do have a ballpark figure. I know that for me to maintain where I am right now, I need to be eating around 1800, so I know that each meal should be around 600 calories, but I don't like count it to the very decimal. Sometimes I'll wake up and I don't feel like eating anything. Like I just want tea and a little biscuit, and that's fine, and I have that, and then I have a bigger lunch. So yeah, I just think it's important to have a ballpark figure of kind of what calories you're consuming, because there's a lot of foods that seem like they have a lot of calories but they don't, or they seem like they don't have a lot of calories but they do. Excuse me, hello. Oh. Today I woke up pretty late. Well, not really late, it's like 9 or 10 in the morning, but usually I wake up a lot earlier to start like working and stuff. I'm gonna be making a big breakfast. So step one is to preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. We're only gonna put the little crescent roll things in there for like 10-15 minutes. It's not even enough time for the bacon to cook in the oven. So I cook it halfway through on the stove top. So not all the way through, just halfway. And then I place it on top and finish baking it inside the oven. So today I'm actually not working out or anything. I'm just gonna like work, run some errands. And then the next what I eat in a day, I'll film it tomorrow. And I'll show you guys what I eat in a day on a day that I just like wake up and I work out. More of like a daily thing. Today is more like kind of like a weekend. So now we're ready to put these bad boys in the oven. Actually, are we? It's not preheated yet. So this breakfast is delish, one of my favorite breakfast recipes. It's not like super duper healthy, but it's got the eggs, it's got the bacon, you know, it's got some protein, it's got a little bit of greens, just a little bit. It's good, it's good. This is a good breakfast for the weekend, or you know, if you don't have to wake up early, you don't have to rush anywhere. This is a good big breakfast, and honestly, this fills me up so much that sometimes I just skip lunch and I go straight to dinner. I am a firm believer in listening to my body. Like if I don't feel hungry, I'm not gonna force myself to eat, or if I'm still hungry, you know, I'm gonna eat, but at the same time, I try to be smart about it, because sometimes you think you're hungry, but you're actually thirsty or you're bored. Timer's beeping. Okay. So let's see. Got my golden fork. I think it looks good. I sprinkle some basil. This gives it like a little umph. Some olive oil. This is optional, this is not part of the recipe, but I add olive oil to almost everything. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay. This is delicious.
Babe, come eat!
Is the food ready?
Honestly, just eat it with like my hands, like this.
The pizza.
It's so freaking good. Wow. Obviously, like this is humongous. This is more like a brunch. Depending on how hungry I am, I'll either finish this all or I won't. But usually when I finish it all, I don't really get hungry for lunch, because this is also like a lot, especially to eat in the morning. We usually don't drink anything with our meal other than water, sparkling water, no juice, no soda, nothing much really except for sparkling water. So that also helps a lot, because I feel like beverages, especially beverages high in sugar, even juices, don't make you feel full at all, and it's just a lot of sugar and a lot of calories, and I would rather spend those sugar and calories on like ice cream after this. So I finished pretty much everything. Well, Johnny's finishing the last few bites, but I'm so full that I literally cannot. So all I'm having is my tea, which does have sugar. So that's kind of like my little dessert now. I'll be doing more videos like this on my vlog channel. So if you're interested in videos kind of similar to this, not necessarily about nutrition and fitness, just about everything, skincare, whatever, you can head to my vlog channel. The link is in my description. I'll also put it up here and check it out. It's been like 5 hours since breakfast and I haven't eaten anything else. I'm still not hungry, but I made myself another cup of tea. It's tea with lemon and a few teaspoons of sugar. I did have a biscotti about 2 hours ago. I forgot to record that, sorry. And now it's time for dinner. Freya, hi. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You're so fucking cute. Anyway, we're gonna be cooking some salmon and hopefully some avocados on the side, maybe a little salad. We'll see what we can whip up. I'm gonna be frying the salmon on the pan today. Usually I put it in the oven to bake, but I wanna just make it a little fast today. Plus I want it to be nice and crispy. And I'm doing like a little honey garlic lemon sauce. So we've got our sauce, salmon, the avocado master.
Avocado.
Woo! Nice. Gotta get that sauce on the salmon. Ooh, that looks so good. Here is dinner. So I don't know how many avocados are here, probably like 2 per person. This beautiful salmon, so good. Nice quick recipe, took less than like 20 minutes in total to do everything. By the way, this stuff is balsamic glaze, like balsamic vinegar, but it's like a sweet little glaze. So this is what I left because I feel pretty full. And I want space for dessert. So we are here watching Love Island, and I'm finishing the night with a Twix bar. This is the best ice cream bar.